Hi, my name is Joe and welcome to Medical Azul. Do you or a loved one suffer from urinary incontinence? Do you have trouble distinguishing the differences between disposable incontinence underpads? Don't worry, I got you covered. It's all about understanding the absorbency levels of incontinence underpads. Light absorbency, moderate absorbency, and ultra absorbency. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the features of incontinence underpads, moderate absorbency. First, I wanted to show you what the thickness looks like in moderate absorbency underpads. And I placed it right next to light absorbency and ultra absorbency. I wanted to show you that the padding is middle of the road. The padding is not very thick, but it's not too thin. These has a green backing right here, and they're very easy to fold. So if you needed to place them in any type of drawer, you can easily do that. Now that we have the moderate absorbency underpad open, I just want to show you how much more layering that it has. As you can tell, it's not as transparent as the light absorbency. We want this to absorb more fluid. It has a protective non-woven layer that protects the patient from irritation on the skin. This is capable of absorbing more fluid, and I would recommend these to patients for medium to high incontinent. Also, if you're independent but still requires some care. All right, now that we have a glass of water right here, now we're gonna pour it out. Boom, like that. Let it soak up. And then we're gonna get a paper towel. I'm gonna flip it over. Boom, no streaks. No streaks. Nope, we're good. Good to go. Thank you for watching this video. You can find all these products at medicalazul.com, A-Z-U-L. If you like this video, please like the video. Also, subscribe to my channel on YouTube at Medical Azul, A-Z-U-L. Thank you so much, and ciao.